Hello and welcome to IMS Today. And today we have Pranshilal, the alumni of IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus, batch 2011-2014. She is currently working in Z Group as brand and social media marketing. We welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
What challenges did you face to reach this destination?
So challenges, I would say, I'm Touchwood. My journey was, incredibly smooth. The challenges I faced in the corporate world was mostly the practical knowledge which we were lacking. So I would say I was always inclined towards content writing, but I was not aware about the topical things which I should pick while writing the content. What is the language I should use? More, credible language, the thorough research which I have to do. But then when I started my journey from one organization to other, I learned the skills while working with the media organizations. And I think in the past 10 years, 11 years, whatever work I have done, it has been an incredible journey. I got to learn about a lot of things. So from being a journalist, a content writer, to now a marketing person, there are a lot of courses in between which I have done in the past 10 years. I've done my post graduation in digital marketing. I'm willing to pursue an full time MBA, and then there are different online courses to which I have been pursuing, like Power BI, Google Analytics, GA4. So if you want to start a journey, you should always be open about learning more and more skills. Yeah.
So, what strategies do you implement to create brand loyalty among customers?
To create the brand loyalty, the first thing you should be aware about your target audience. If you're aware about your target audience, like if you want to cater from 15 to 30 age group, or if you want to cater 30 to 50 group, you'll understand what your audience is seeking. If they are seeking, so if for example, if your target audience is extremely young, you'll get to know that they're more inclined towards quick videos, short reels, Insta reels, YouTube reels, and that's how they're consuming their content, their news. So you should create your product based on the target audience. If you are catering someone, the age group between 30 to 40, it's a mix of mix of product that they're seeking. Some of seeking, while they're commuting towards work, they will seek short form content. But then if they're sitting and they're having their leisure time, they are ready to watch a 10 minutes full fledged video. So to create that brand loyalty, first understand your target audience, segregate your product accordingly, and then create a marketing strategy based on that.
So, how do you manage the negative comments on social media?
See, social media is a thing that is popular. Everyone in this world right now is on any social media platform. So garnering those negative comments is you. It's very we do get a lot of negative comments. The first approach we take is, if the profile is spam, we report it as a spam, or block those users. But if the user is raising a concern, or they're saying that we are not covering the other side of the story, and if we have covered the other side of story, we do reply to those comments. We'll tell them that you can read about this particular aspect of the story on the story here. Our social media managers and executives are on their toes to reply back, to tell them that we are covering all aspects of the story. And if we are not, so what the social media managers do is that if there are certain comment where they are revealing a different side of the story, we pass it on to the editorial team and tell them if they are ready to explore this aspect as well, and then the editorial team create a story on based on that.
So, can you share your journey at IMS?
So my journey at IMS was extremely good. So I have always cherished my 3 years at IMS. We were a very initial batch. The things were still settling down in IMS, but the teachers, the professors which we got, the fest, the exams, the courses, the extracurricular activities which we have done, I think that has helped me a lot to whatever I have achieved. The confidence, the skills which my professors have given me, I'll be forever grateful for those skills, and forever thankful. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time. I, Nandini Agrawal, with cameraman Pratham, IMS Today.